Alright, these are the elevators at the Holiday Inn, Mayfield, Ohio. These are ThyssenKrupp.
Going up.
What's over here? So 4. Floor
4.
Let's go down.
Going down.
Look how this works. Good cab view. These are nice for a Holiday Inn. These used to be Otis Lexan that got modded by ThyssenKrupp. Here in G. This is 2,500 pounds.
Floor G.
So this will be 2. There's that one. Let's get the other one. And here's this one.
Going up.
Yep. Otis. 4. There we go. There are 4.
Floor 4.
G.
Going down.
They have very nice cabs. I was kind of hoping to see the Otis Lexan, but unfortunately not. I'll say it's 2,500 pounds.
Floor G.
Close. And that's it.